So guys, good morning everyone. Can you say the good morning by raise your hands? By raising your hands? Yes. Cool. Yes. Hope everyone had your breakfast and without wasting any of the time, without waiting for anyone, we will start the session for the day. Cool. Yes, believing that I'm audible for everyone. Yes, this again K. Srinivas, lecturer of Commerce Department from Dr. Gopinath Rao Group of Institutions, Hosapete. Yes, everyone know me now because you are attending from past 3 sessions. This is the 3rd session you guys are attending. That's great, and hope everyone are enjoying the sessions. With this, guys, we always say that every day we drink coffee. For why we drink coffee every day? That is just a motivation for us to get relaxed or to get a boost. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬೂಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಎಂಥ್ಯೂಸಿಯಾಸಮ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಕಾಫಿ, ಅದರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್, ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಬಿವ್ರೇಜಸ್. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ರೈಟ್, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸರ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ಚೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೇ? ವಿ ವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಚೀವಿಷಿಯಸ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ತರಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ತಾನೇ? ತುಂಟತನ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಸೊ. ಯಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಸ್, ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ್ಡಕ್ಕಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಇದೇ ಸೀಸನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೇ? ಹಣ್ಣು ಬೀಳ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ತಾನೇ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೇ? ಸೊ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದಾನ ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದಾನ? ಸುಮಾರು ಸಲ ನಾವು ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕೂಡ ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಾರಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಡೇ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಗೋಲ್. ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ ದಿಸ್. ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಲ್ಲೊಡ್ದಾಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಉದ್ರಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಉದ್ರಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸುಮಾರು ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ, ನಾನು ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ನೀನು ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ. ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಸತೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ದೊರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಸುಮಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಾಟ್ ಆಮ್ ಐ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಟುಡೇ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ನೀವೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ ಶಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್? Raise your hands if we start. Hurry. Yeah, we will start. Definitely, we will start. So guys, yes, today's session will be handled by, and the speaker of the day for today for your session is Mr. Maula Hussain. Okay. He is the principal of our esteemed institution, Dr. Gopinath Rao Group of Institutions. Our principal agirade, and he is one of the youngest principal, and he is one of the enthusiastic person of our institution. Okay, now he will take your class and he will start the session. Shall we hand over and let him start the class? Okay. Yes guys. So just a minute. Ruxana, I am watching you that you are just writing on my slides. If this is the case, definitely I will put you into a waiting room. Please do not do this. Yes sir, can we start?
Yes, sir. You can start. Yes. Hello, everyone. once again, welcome back, all of you. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back once again. So I'm delighted to meet you once again. Okay. So thank you, Srinivas sir, just giving me opportunity again. This is the second session of me. Okay. So in the last class we have discussed about the commerce. Okay. So today is the third session about our bridge course classes. Okay. So today I wanted to discuss some of the things like time management. So today I'm going to discuss about time management. I'm going to discuss about goal management. I'm going to discuss about entrepreneurs. So as you students, you have in your 10th syllabus, in your social studies, you have the topic called entrepreneurs. Okay. So regarding the entrepreneurs, so I just wanted to give the link for your 10th studies with the PUC and the higher courses. Okay. So what is about these entrepreneurs? That's why I wanted to give an overview. Okay. So these are the things I'm going to discuss in the today's class. Okay. So let us start the session with a quote of one of the famous personality. You can see the picture on the screen. Yes, if you're able to see the screen, just raise your hand, all of you. If you're able to see the screen, raise your hands. Yes, sir. Getting it now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, students. As you know that the famous personality, you can see Swami Vivekananda. Let us start the session with the quote of Swami Vivekananda. So in his quotes, one of his quotes, so what he says, each work has to pass through these stages. So ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವರ್ಕು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೆಡಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಡಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್? ರೆಡಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿಲಿನೆಸ್, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಆನ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರ, ಜನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲಾಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, opposition. So what he says, opposition. So and few people will be there, what they will be doing, they will be opposing you. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎದುರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. Hey, don't do that, that is not that much easy, you can't do it, like that they will oppose you. And then acceptance. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ acceptance. They will agree that yes, you can do it, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಲ್ಲೆ. So that is what one of the famous quote which is given by our Swami Vivekananda. Yes, with this quote, let us start the today's session. Okay, so one more point he had mentioned in that quote. What he mentioned, time. Regarding time is also very important thing in your life. So let us start the session by this quote of one of the famous philosopher, Swami Vivekananda. Yes, sir, you can change the slide. Yes, students, I was telling about today I'm going to discuss about three important aspects, that is time management. Okay, so I am going to discuss about goal setting. Then one more thing I am going to discuss about entrepreneurs. So which is related to your 10th as well as for PUC and for higher education. Okay, so let us start the session with the time management. So what is time? So you can see that picture, you can see the students. See the time, when clock is there. Okay, different activities are mentioned there. Okay, so what we should do? See, we need to allocate the time for each and everything activity. Okay, so as you know, the time is very important aspect of human life. Correct? We can get each and everything in our life. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ with the clock of this picture you can see in the screen, with this let us start the session. Yes, sir, you can change the slide. Sir, you can change. Yes, goal setting. So as I told you that we are also discussing about the goal setting. Yes, you can change the slides.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Yes, again one more thing, we are going to discuss about the entrepreneur. Yes, before that guys, I just wanted a kind of a promise from you. Will you promise me? Just raise your hands. If yes, just raise your hands. Will you promise me, students?
Yes, they are.
Yes, will you promise me? If yes, just raise your hands, students. Promise is not for me, promise for you, it's for your future and it's for your parents, right? If yes, raise your hands, students.
Yes, sir, they are raising their hands.
Yes, okay. Students, you can just see the screen. You can just see on the screen. I have mentioned some points there. I sacrifice. Nanu tyaga martini. I am ready to sacrifice. I work hard. Nanu nanigoskara, nan family goskara work hard martini. Okay. Kastapattu jeena martini. Okay. I work smart. Not only working hard, I'm also promising that I will work smart. Okay, I am a professional, so I will be a professional in future. Okay, then I am building my empire. ನಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. I am going to build my own empire. Okay, so next, I am the master of my destiny. ನಂದೇ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I become the master of my goal. Yes, I will become an entrepreneur. Yes, I will try to become an entrepreneur. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. I'll become a good entrepreneur. Yes, will you promise me, students? Just raise your, if yes, just raise your hands. Will you promise all these things for yourself, for your family, and for your nation? Not for your nation, it's all about our nation. Will you do it? Yes, students, if yes, raise your hands.
Yes, sir. They are raising the hand.
Yes. Okay. So with this, so today we are going to discuss about all these sessions. As I told you, it is useful for your 10th standard social studies as well as for your further future studies. It's there in QC as well as there in degree, MBA, like that. In higher education also, you are having this topic called entrepreneur. Okay. So let us continue the session. Yes, sir. You can change the slide. Yes, students. I was telling about the time management. So now, before going to know the other sessions, why I have taken the first topic called time management. See, time idre ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If we don't have time, what we can do? ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, right? It is highly impossible to do the things without the time. So with that regard, let us start this session with the time management only. Okay. So you can see the meaning of the time management on the screen. Time management refers to the managing time effectively, so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. See, as you know, lockdown is going on. Okay, so what we used to do, we just simply waste our time. Will you do it or not? If you're wasting your time, just raise your hands. Yaar nim time waste ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Raise your hands. You wasting your time or not?
Yeah, only one has raised the hands. Two members.
Yes, the one who had raised the hand, I just wanted to appreciate him.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will be really appreciable because we need to accept ourselves. ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ accept ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Now
We need
many
to
of
accept
them are
it.
doing it.
Okay, right? See, you can see the screen on the screen the meaning of time management. Time management refers to the managing time effectively, so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. It time ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ, so we can get each and everything in our life, but we can't get the time. We can spend, if we can spend close together money on that, but we're not going to get the time on. We are not going to time if you spend money also. Okay, so we can just change the slide, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see a picture on the screen, students. Yes, motivating teens. So why I have taken this topic on the screen? ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Say teens, you are the teens. Okay, you are the youngsters. So how you are spending your time? Okay, ನಿಮ್ time ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ spend ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, so we are spending our time with one of the picture. You can see the first picture, that is mobile phone. Okay, we take mobile phones. We are going to spend our precious time. Okay, so we have the both positives as well as negative with the mobile phone. Yes, I agree with that. Okay, so we should use the thing what we have. We should properly use the thing which we have, a beautiful invention called as mobile phone. Okay, so one more thing, you can see the screen that we take pics on the mobile phone, and we also use the social media. You can see the picture of Facebook on the screen. So we use the social media platform, and we are going to spend the time. We are going to spend our precious time. Not only Facebook, we are using WhatsApp, we are using this other Instagram, YouTube and all. So we should use our time where it is required. Okay, so until we should not waste the time. These are the motivating things that is wasting that's why the youngsters are wasting their time. Okay, so let us move to the next session. Next slide. Yes, the next question is that why we need time. Okay, why we need to time management. Time management is required to save time. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು time management? The time we need to save. Okay, for what purpose we need to save? We need to see, you can see the picture on the screen. One person is just trying to get back the time. Whether he is going to get the time, ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Can he able to get the time? ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ? Whether he is going to get the time? No, he is not going to get the time. Okay, next, to reduce stress. See, stress ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ stress control ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? We should do the time management. Okay, to function effectively, to increase our work output. ನಮ್ದಂತೂ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು, we need to do the time management to have more control over our job responsibility. ನಮ್ದೇ ಆದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ we need time management. Okay, so you can change the next slide, sir. Yes, the next slide is that how to use time effectively. ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ನಾವು ನಮ್ದೇ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, the planning is the first and foremost thing. So as we study in the management, so when you come to PUC, okay, when you come to PUC and higher education, you will have a subject called commercially, you have a subject called as business studies. In that business studies, you have the topic called management. What is management? Management of time is also management. Management of resources is management. Management of people is management. Okay, so here management, the first we have the functions of management. In the first function is planning. So we need to plan ourselves. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, what we are doing, when we are doing, how we are doing. So all these things are the first aspect which comes under the effective planning. Next is setting goals and objectives. We need to set the goals. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ, what I need to do, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, what I need to prepare, how I need to prepare myself. Okay, next setting deadlines, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, that is also plays very very important role. Next, delegation of responsibilities. If you are being a leader, so what you should do, you need to allocate the work to your subordinates. ನಿಮ್ದ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನಿನ್ ಕೆಳಗಿರುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ you need to get the work to be done by others. That is what called as a management, that you are going to learn in the PUC and higher classes if you take a commerce. Okay, next, prioritizing activities as per their importance. So ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ, ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ which is second importance, that will be the second position, and which is reasonable, which is not at all important one, then that one we need to put into last in the list. So we need to prioritize first, second, third, ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ. Okay, the next is that spending the right time on the right activity. Namde on the time, as I told you, that time is most precious thing in the world. We can get each and everything, we can't get the time. So for that reason, spending the right time on the right activity is very very important. Yes sir, you can change the slide. Yes, if you're getting students, if my session was interesting, just raise your hands. Students, if my session is interesting one, just raise your hands.
Yes, they are, sir.
Yes students, with this you can see one more picture on the screen. Situation become odd if you don't manage the time. ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ on the first screen, so person got full or confused, what to do, when to do, he got confused. In the second picture you can see he got full of work. Okay, he stressed, he got full of stress, he is thinking ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ನಾನೀಗ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. So he is full of confusions. And the third picture you can see time, he is holding a watch, he is holding a clocks in his hands. Okay, he is holding a clocks in his hand and he is just confused. Again he is also confused what to do, time is not there, he is saying time is not there. And again you can see down one more picture is that he is holding some of books and he is doing the work there. So many books are there in front of him, he is doing so much of works. So this happens when you don't manage your time. Getting understand what I am trying to say? If yes, raise your hand, students.
Yeah, they are, sir.
Yes, you can change the slide, sir. So that's why manage your time and keep smiling. See, time manage correct ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you can have a good smile, means you can have a healthy life. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಲೈಫ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, and work ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ವೇ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, yes sir, change the slide. So next is that goal setting. So just now we completed the topic of time management. Now it's about goal. So goal, guri. See, you can see a picture on the screen, students. So one guy is there. He's holding a suitcase in his hand, and he's just stepping towards his goal. So nodi alli enide. So goal. What is goal? goal is nothing but an objective. Goal is nothing but an objective, an aim or objective towards which an endeavor is directed. A goal is simply a target. Goal andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು target ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. For example, you may be having a target that in the 10th examinations you wanted to take a rank. ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ goal ಇದೆನಾ ಈ goal ಇದೆನಾ? If yes, raise your hand, students. Do you have a goal of this?
Yes.
Getting a rank in 10th standard? ಇದೆನಾ goal?
Yes.
If yes, raise your hands. Yes, very good. See, and some of you are having the goal that I should get distinction, I should get first class. Okay, so always set a goal which is higher than you. So always set a big goal. Okay, so by that we need to try to achieve the goal. So success, it starts from the first step. First step ನಾವು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ success start ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So put your first step best one. That is what I wanted to tell here. Okay, so you can change the slide. See students, goal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು goal? How the goal should be? Goal should be smart. Okay, so smart ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? No, goal should be a smart. What is smart here? Smart should be a specific. S stands for the specific. Particular ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ goal. Yes, 10th standard I should get rank. Yes, the goal should be specific. ಯಾರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. I told you at the beginning by the words of this Swami Vivekananda what we are saying. So your goal, you should be set standard ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು goal, and people will laugh at you. ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಡಿ ನಗ್ತಾರೆ. Your friends will laugh at you, your family members will laugh at you. Don't bother about them. You just keep your eye on your target. ನಿನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, next, measurable. Your goal should be measurable. So yes, if I wanted to take a rank, if I wanted to take a distinction, so ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು measurable ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಾನು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. measurable. Next, achievable. So achieve, yes, I can achieve it. See, for example, if I plan to go to moon, I wanted to start a hotel in the moon. Is it possible to do a hotel in moon? No. So goal ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? It should be a achievable. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು goal. Next is realistic. Yes, today I wanted to go and by tomorrow I wanted to go and by tomorrow I wanted to go to sun, and there I wanted to shift my home. Is it possible to shift my home in sun? Is it possible? No, it's not possible, right? So goal should be a realistic. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು goal. Next, timely. So time bonding also very important. See students, now the lockdown is there, so the time you have to read for your examinations. If you spend your time simply, then you are shortly going to get the examination. Time ಹೇಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. So for that reason, you should plan your day-to-day activity. Based upon that, you need to plan for your examination. And the next topic is that, and the next slide what we have is difference between dream and goal. Yes, ಕನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿ. ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಕನ್ಸು. ಗೋಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಗುರಿ. Yes, there is a link between dream and goal, but it is possible only when ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸು ನನ್ಸಾಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? when you put efforts. Okay, so there should be link between dream and goal. Yes, you dream ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. It's not wrong in dream. You dream it, but there should be link between dream and goal. So dream ಬಂದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಈ ತರ ಕನಸು ಬಂದಿದೆ. Yes, ನಾನು ಕನಸು ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, I wanted to make it implement. ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So you can see the differences over the screen. A dream is the fantasy. It does not have any boundaries. Yes, ಕನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದು ಇದು ಕನ್ಸ್. Yes, ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. But what is goal here? It is more clear and vivid target that you wanted to attain. Yes, dream ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ actions yes possible ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, so based upon that you take a action. Yes, a dream, it is a goal without legs. Dream ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? sometimes ಏನೇನೋ ಕನ್ಸ್ ಪಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲಿಯನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದ ರಿಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ನೋ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ರಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಫ್ ಯಸ್, ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. Yes, students?
Yes, they are raising their hands, sir.
Yes. Now with this differentiation between dream and goal, so what I wanted to say here, what dream you're going to get, you try to make it to convert into a goal. Okay, so at least if I don't want you to, if I can't become a richest person of the world, at least you if you target that, at least you can be a richest person of at least hospital. Getting understand what I'm trying to say? If yes, raise your hands.
Yes, sir, they are.
Yes, sir, you can change the slide.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, students. And the next slide, you can see setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into visible. So goals set madadenu, setting the goals is the first thing which makes you to do the things which is invisible, which you can make a visible one. Okay. When I speak about goals, we have two goals. One is short-term goal, one more is long-term goal. Short-term goal, long-term goal on the there. Okay. So short-term goal, what should be your short-term goal? Short-term means which is meant for a short period of time. And long-term means which is meant for the long period of time. So your short-term goal is you need to take up at least a rank in the 10th standard, or you may have a plan to get a distinction or first class in your 10th standard. That should be a short-term goal. And when I speak about long-term goal, your long-term goal should be like I should become an entrepreneur, I should become a scientist, I should become an engineer, okay, I should become a chartered accountant. So this should be your long-term goal. Okay. So yes, sir, you can change the slide. So next is that how to set goals. Yes, you can change. Yes. So nam tele question barutte. Yes, sir. Nan goal set madbekadu. Hege madbeku? How to do it? Yes, you can do. You can set your goal by using these various steps. We have steps over the screen. See, identify goals. Yen madbeku adna first identify madbeku. Next, set objectives. So now yen madbeku ondo objective namma ondo target set madbeku. Next, list obstacles. Namge ಏನೇನು ಅಡಚಣೆಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? What are the obstacles we are facing? ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next, develop a plan. Okay, so plan ನ ಒಂದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So the first step is identify people. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Who are all there with me? Okay, and the fifth step is that list skills. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? What I can do? Okay, so ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು skills. Next, develop a plan ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. At last, list the benefits. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So you can see the steps, you can see the staircase on the screen. So it starts from the first step, it ends to the last step of the goal. The last step is there. ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, it's waiting, your goal is waiting to you. Okay, the thing is that you need to just you should go one by one step. Okay, that is the thing. And the next is that, next you can see a picture on the screen. Yes, how many of you know him? Just raise your hands. How many of you know the person on the screen? Just raise your hands.
Many of 3-4 members have known about him.
Yes.
Yeah, many of them know about him, sir.
Yes, he is Arnold. Okay, so he is a bodybuilder. Okay, so what he says is, so I just wanted to give an inspirational story of this Arnold. Okay, strength does not come from winning your struggles. Develop your strengths. What he says, he is saying that we should develop our strengths. So Arnold, you can change the slide, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Arnold. What the Arnold is saying, look at that. So Arnold is the youngest bodybuilder. Okay, youngest bodybuilder in the world. He won 7 times title of this Olympia. So at the age of 23, he became the youngest. He won the youngest gold medal in the Olympia in his 23rd age. Okay, so he won the same title for the 7 times. So what he is saying that unless we get success, we need to just target to our goal. We need to go towards our goal. Nam success ಬರೋರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಗೋಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. So that's why the reason behind of it, he got 7 times as a gold medalist. At the age of 23, he became the youngest, the gold medalist. Okay, he won the Olympics. You know, how many of you know Olympics? Raise your hands. Olympics ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಗೊತ್ತು? Raise your hands. How many of you know Olympics? How many of you see Olympics games? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yeah, raising.
Raise your hands.
Yeah, they are.
Yes. Okay, you can change the slide, sir.
Yeah.
And the next slide, what we have, as you can see on the screen, the entrepreneurs you have in the social studies of your 10th standard, entrepreneurs. So who is an entrepreneur? How many of you know entrepreneur? Just raise your hand. Entrepreneur andre ಏನು ಅಂತ just raise your hand. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? How many of you know about entrepreneur? Raise your hands.
Many of them.
So anyone of raising?
Yeah, many of them are raising their hands.
Yes, can anyone just answer that? What is this entrepreneur? Anyone of you just answer me. What is this entrepreneur? ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ entrepreneur ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? Because it's very interesting topic. It is related to your 10th standard as well as for PUC and for higher studies. Yes. Anyone of you wanted to answer?
The person who have unique ideas. Sir.
The person
Who have unique ideas.
may I know your name? Good name.
Nayana, sir.
Nine.
Yes.
Very good.
Apart from that, others, can I get answers from others?
Yes.
A person who create new idea for a business or anything else.
Yes. May I know your good name?
B.
Maunesh.
Yes. Okay. Sir, you can mute now. You can mute the audios now.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So yes, guys. So very good answers from you people. Yes, as you are saying that entrepreneur is a person who comes up with a new ideas. So ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೊಸ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, something he is going to do, some venture he is trying to give or doing to some venture he is going to do, that person is going to be called as entrepreneur. Okay, with the new ideas, new knowledge, and he is going to implement into the business. So that person is going to be called as entrepreneur. You can see a picture on the screen in British India. So British we were ruled by the British peoples, right? So Britishers idru estu, they were there in India for 350 years and ago, 350 years above, 300 and 350 years above. Okay, so but yes, you can change the picture, sir. They ruled us, right? Yes, but we the people, we are the people with power. What kind of people we are? We are the people with the power. We are ruled by the Britishers. ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ನಮ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್, which now you can just you may be knowing many kind of entrepreneurs who are from India. So we have done so many things that we will see in the upcoming slides. You can just change the slides, sir. Change the slides. Yes. So you can see a picture on the screen, some of the famous entrepreneurs from India. Okay, one is Lakshmi Mittal. You can see on the screen. Lakshmi Mittal is there one side. Indira Nooyi is there, and on the other side, Azim Premji is there, and there at the corner, Narayan Murthy is there. Yes, you can change the slide, sir. Yes, let us start this again entrepreneur section with the one of the famous company from Gujarat, that is called as Amul. So how many of you know this Amul? Raise your hands. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ Amul ಗೊತ್ತು? Raise your hands. Do you take the products of Amul? Amul products ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? If yes, raise your hands. Yes sir, whether they are rising? Sir, whether they are rising?
Yeah, they are raising the hands. They are like,
yes
sir, we love
Okay.
Amul products.
Yes, if hope even I too do the same. Okay, so Amul stands for Anand Milk Union Limited. Anand Milk Union Limited. Enidu Anand Milk Union Limited anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, Anand is a place, it's a district which is from Gujarat. Anand Milk Union Limited anta ಹೇಳಿ Gujarat ಇಂದು. Okay, so Amul, down we can see a tagline of Amul, the taste of India. See how much powerful tagline is there, Amul. Okay, so it is started by whom? It is started by the late, okay, the late Tribhuvan Das Patel. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು? Tribhuvan Das Patel ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so it's from Anand district, Gujarat, Amul. Okay, so Tribhuvan Das Patel ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so and it is having the net worth of 600 millions. Okay, so it gets crores of gather profit in each and every year. Okay, so and you may be knowing the famous person called Varghese Kurian. Its picture is there in the next slide. Yes sir, you can change the slide.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see a picture on the screen. That is Dr. Varghese Kurian. He is called as the father of white revolution in India. Do you remember that? ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆನಾ? If yes, raise your hands. Dr. Varghese Kurian ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆನಾ? If yes, raise your hands.
Varsha Chaluva Nayaka, the only one who raised their hand.
Yes, Varghese Kurian. Yes, he is known as the father of Indian white revolution because he had brought so many things, like he had tried to improve the production of milk in India. Okay, so he was previously a general manager of this Amul milk, and now he is serving as a after that he became the chairman of this Amul Milk Limited. Okay, yes sir, you can change the slide. So you can see the picture of on the screen that is about Amul. Okay, so how the production is going to take place, ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ production, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಂಪನಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ಎಸ್, ದ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೂಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಅಮೂಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. The production, you can see a picture on the screen. A graph you can see on the screen. How the milk production got increased. If yes, if you're understanding, just raise your hands, students. If yes, just raise your hands. If you're understanding the concept, the concept is interesting one?
Yeah,
if it is interesting one, just raise your hands.
Yes sir, they are raising their hands.
Yes, okay. Next, so you can change the slide.
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, done.
Yes, students, you can see a screen. You can see on the screen one more picture is there. Okay, so previous one. Yeah, wide range of products. So Amul ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? So you can see Amul milk ಇದೆ, Amul milk powder ಇದೆ, Amul sweets ಇದೆ. Okay, like this Amul gulab jamuns are there. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ I think you all are getting water in your mouths. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? Yes, you can see a picture on the screen. By that, so many sweets items are there on the screen. Yes, which is made by the Amul, right? Yes,
right.
You can change the screen.
Yeah.
You can change the slide.
Yeah.
See again some of the products from the Amul. You can see you can see on the screen chocolates Amul. So like so many products are there Amul. Yes, you can change the slide, sir. Yes, hope you understood about Amul. Now we have the Lijjat. Lijjat papad. How many of you eat papad? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಪ್ಪಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಹಪ್ಪಳ? If yes, raise your hands. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹಪ್ಪಳ ತಿಂತೀರಾ? How many of you eat this papads?
Yes, they are raising many of them.
Yes, almost all. Even I too have this papads, including Srinivas sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the first and foremost thing we do is whenever we met with restaurant ಹೋದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ first order ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಮಸಾಲಾ ಪಾಪಡ್.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, students. So let us start this Lijjat company ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So hope you understood about the company of this Amul. Amul ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Now it is about Lijjat. Lijjat, it is the company which is started by Shri Mahila Griha Udyog ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, so which was started by a person called Padma Shri awardee. I will show you I will show you her picture on the next slide. Her name is Jaswanti Ben Jamandar Patel. Jaswanti Ben Jamandar Patel. So you can change the slide, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, students, you can see the screen. Okay, so there, see, it is having the 50 years of taste. Lijjat papad 1 ವರ್ಷ 2 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲ. It is 50 years of history. It is having the history of 50 years. As like as the Amul. Amul is having its own history, 50 to 60 years. Again, here also the same thing about this Lijjat. It is having the history of 50 years. 50 years of taste. Yes, you can change the slide, sir. You can see the women's how they are preparing the papads. Yes. So brands can't forget to taste. So Lijjat ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವೇನ ಪಾಪಡ್ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ Lijjat. Yes, you can taste once Lijjat. Yes, you can change the slide, sir. Yes, dreams comes true. You can see on the screen. So Abdul Kalam ji is there. Okay, on the other hand, one more famous personality, Atal Bihari Vajpayee sir is there. Okay, on the other hand, you can see the former Gujarat Chief Minister. Okay, and also Gujarat's governor is there, former governor is there. Okay, so they are handing the prize, they are giving the awards to the this particular founder of this Lijjat papad. Okay, so I just told no, Jaswanti Ben. Okay, for them they are giving the award. So Padma Shri award, how many of you know about Padma Shri award? If yes, raise your hands. Padma Shri award ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? If yes, raise your hands. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್? Do you know about it? If
They are
yes, raise your hand.
Yes, they are raising.
Yes, one of the top, one of the highest rank, highest awardee, which is being issued to the people of India is called as Padma Shri award, Padma Shri, like that Khel Ratna award. So many awards we are going to issue. Okay, yes sir, you can change the slide. The next one is that the very most familiar company that we know each and everyone, that is Tata Group. ಟಾಟಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನಿದು ಟಾಟಾ ಸಿ ಟಾಟಾ ಕಾರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟಾಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಸರ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಚನ್ ಹೋದೆ ಟಾಟಾ ನಮಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ, ಟಾಟಾ AC ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟಾಟಾ ತನಿಷ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಎಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಟಾಟಾ ಏರ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so like this Tata, again if I wanted to go hotel, then I'll get Tata hotel, that is called as Taj Hotel, that is there in Mumbai. Okay, so Tata is there in each and everything, from pin to aeroplane. Yes, if yes you know about Tata, just raise your hands friends. Tata ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ raise ಮಾಡಿ, raise your hands.
Yeah, they are, sir.
Yes, the Tata Group. So let us know what is about Tata. So you know about only Ratan Tata ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಹೌದಾ? So a very famous personality from India, Ratan Tata. Okay, so but we don't know who is the founder of that particular Tata. ಯಾರನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Yes, Tata is being founded by one of the famous personality called as the late. So you can just change the slide. Yes, Tata is being started by one of the famous personality called as Jamshedji Tata. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್? Jamshedji Tata ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Later on his son JRD Tata, that is called as Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata. Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, he just continued his business, and next his son, that is called as Ratan Tata, he is just running the business called as Tata Groups. Yes, can change the slides. Yes, Tata, I told you, no, Tata Nano car is there. Tata, you can see the Taj Hotels which is there in Mumbai, near to this gateway of India. ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, you might be knowing. And Tata Salt is there. Desh ka namak, see how that punchline it is, Desh ka namak, because it is made in India, right? And the say you can see so many other products of the Tata on the screen. Okay, so Tata E-Mall antide, Tata Docomo, so you may be knowing. Tata Tea is there, right? Yes, you can change the slides. Contribution to independent India, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಟಾಟಾ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? See, you can see the Tata, about Tata you may be knowing recently. So Tata is doing so much of social work also. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕೊರೋನಾ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಸೊ ಟಾಟಾ ಏರ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಟಾಟಾ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಟಾಟಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ ಟಾಟಾದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್? ಟಾಟಾದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಮೂಲ್, ಲಿಜ್ಜತ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್? If yes, raise your hands friends.
Yes, they are.
Yes, if it was interesting, raise your hands friends.
They are, sir. They are raising their hands.
Yes, okay. So the next is, again you may be knowing this famous personality on the screen, that is called as Narayan Murthy. Okay, so he's a famous personality he is the founder of this Infosys Limited, which is from Karnataka, Bangalore, which is known as a software industry, which is very much known for each and everyone as a software company, famous software company from the Bangalore, that is called as Infosys. And you can see the founder of Infosys, that is Narayan Murthy. Okay, yes, you can change the slides. Like this, again one more woman entrepreneur you can see on the screen, that is called as Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Okay, so she is the founder and the CEO of this Biocon Limited. Okay, yes, you can see one more famous personality from Bangalore. Okay, so Azim Premji, he is the founder and CEO of this Wipro Limited, that is also a diversified company which is having software as well as some other companies also. Yes, it's in the slides. Ekta Kapoor. So how many of you watch serials? ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿ ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. Whether it is boys or girls, raise your hands. How many of you watch serials?
Many of
raise
them
your
are
hands.
raising their hands.
Yes. Okay, so on the screen you can see the famous personality. Okay, woman entrepreneur. She's also been termed as a woman entrepreneur because she started a company which is called as Balaji Telefilms Limited. Balaji Telefilms Limited. ನೀವು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್, ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, Balaji Telefilms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. It is the company which is started by the Ekta Kapoor. Okay, you can see the screen, or you can see the picture of her on the screen. Okay, so she started that particular Balaji Telefilms Limited. Okay, so she's the founder and she's the director of Balaji Telefilms Limited, which started in the year 1994. Okay, yes, you can change the slide, sir. And the next, the youngest entrepreneur you can see on the screen. Okay, youngest entrepreneur, he is known as Ritesh Agarwal. See his age, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, he's very youngest, right? See, ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Don't you feel that happy after seeing his face? How is his age? Look at the age, ಹೇಗಿದೆ? So he is from Oyo Rooms. Oyo company ಅಂತಿದೆ. What is this Oyo Rooms? See, if you wanted to book any hotels, ಯಾವ್ದೊಂದು ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಓಯೋ ಆಪ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಓಯೋ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ Ritesh Agarwal established. Okay, so invention, what he did, look at that, at the age of 18, see 18 years, you are almost 15, 16. Okay, so at the age of 18 means like at the age of PUC. Okay, he has founded and the CEO of disruptive hospitality business app Oyo Rooms, or network of 2200 hotels. ಆ ಒಂದು Oyo Rooms ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅವನು? 2200 ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 154 cities across the India. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು Oyo Rooms ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ 154 cities across the India. Yes, so he is called the famous personality called as Ritesh Agarwal. Coming back to his net worth, you can see 2600 crores. 2600 crores ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, means that much of property he has made. ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. See, can we imagine the person who is age, he is very young, can you imagine that person, he is the owner of that particular amount? Imagine ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ ನಮಗೆ? See his age, can we able to imagine? No, correct? So his net worth is 2600 crores. ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅವರ. And again his monthly income ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? $3.5 million. $3.5 million ಇದೆ ಅವನ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. Okay, so next, yes, so at last I just wanted to tell you one thing. You have to grow, including myself, including each and everyone. We have to grow from the inside. So now ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀನ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀನ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಸ್, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್, ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, inside out, none can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own self. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೀಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, so we have the strength in our, that we started from the first slide, we have started, no, what the Swami Vivekananda said. So strength is with us, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. We should take out the strength outside. Okay, so that's what the point here. You can see the quote on the screen. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. So with these words, you can change the slide, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. With these words, and one more point you can see on the screen. What motivates you, the teacher? Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ teacher ಯಾರು? Who is your best teacher? Yes, you have a question. Yes, some of you will say that, sir, ನನಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನೋ, ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್, ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪು, ನೀವೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ ತಪ್ಪು, ಅದೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ನಮ್ಮ ತಪ್ಪು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ನ ಕಲೀರಿ. ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ದಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ and you rectify the mistake. Yes, I did this mistake, ನಾನು ಈ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, I should not repeat this mistake next. Yes, that's why I am telling that your mistake is your best teacher. So you do mistake, yes, do mistake, but next time don't repeat it. Yes, students, so mistake is your best teacher. So learn from the mistake. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಆ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Yes, yes. Hope this is the last slide. Hope you understood. Was the session was interesting? You can just raise your hands, friends. If the session was interesting, raise your hands.
Yes. Yes, many of them are.
Yes,
raising
students,
their
if the
hands.
session was interesting, raise your hands.
Yes, sir. They are raising their hands.
Yes. So today we try to learn about time management. We try to learn about goal setting. Time ಹೇಗೆ manage ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, goal ಹೇಗೆ set ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Then we also learn about the famous entrepreneurs. What is entrepreneurship? Okay, and who are the famous successful entrepreneurs from India as well as from the world. Okay. So because these entrepreneurs, these all entrepreneurs, what we have is there in your 10th syllabus as well as it's there in your upcoming PUC. If you take commerce, and again you have in the higher education, that is what called as BCom or as BBA, BBM, or in the MBA or MCom. So there also you get all these kind of topics. Okay. So hope my session was very interesting. Okay. If yes, can just raise your hands as I just as the same question you raise your hands. So we will meet up in the next session. Okay. So my session was very interesting. If I'm hoping the same thing. Okay. So we'll meet up in the next section. Okay. So I just wanted to just wanted to just continue the session to the Srinivas sir. Srinivas sir, you can just continue the session.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, guys. So hope the session was interesting and everyone were happy with the session. So guys, with this, all we wanted to say is, everyone knows Steve Jobs, who is one of the famous for personality. Yes. Just a minute. Let me stop sharing. Yes, guys. Everyone know Steve Jobs, who is one of the famous personality. He said that wear your failure as a badge of success. Andre ನಿಮ್ಮ failure na accept ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು as a badge of success ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and you will definitely come into the reality world. Hope the session was interesting, guys. Yes, you can unmute and you can answer. Not a problem. Yes, you can unmute. You can unmute and you can answer. We'll continue in the upcoming session.
So certificates.
And guys, you are supposed to attend the upcoming sessions. Once we complete this workshop, everyone will be getting the certificate of the workshop. So attend the sessions. We'll learn new things. In the coming days, we'll come up with some 10th important questions also. Okay. Yes, guys. Shall we end the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, students. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys.